principal for 3 consecutive years. Mr. Madhav Sheke sir has also worked as a senior technical analyst, senior software engineer, senior quality analyst. Sir has also got International Software Testing Qualification Board certificate. So I am sure that today's session will be thought provoking and motivating to all the participants. So without taking much of your time, I kindly request Mr. Madhav Shilke sir to please start the session. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thanks to the Institute principal and Rohini ma'am to invite me for this session. It's an privilege to be amongst yourself and then talk something about what I've did in last 10, 14 years till now. It's just a growth phase and hardly got any time to think on what exactly we have done and where we have reached till now. So before coming forth to every one of you, I just thought from where we started actually, and since start of my career and family background, I'd like to talk something about that, and then we can take it from there, because we all come almost from the same background, middle class families, the hometown kind of background, right? And then from there, doing something unique is really a different thing where you can give some opportunities to people, employ them, and then also help them settle in their career, right? So that's a big paradigm or big paradigm shift that we have to achieve. uh, so I'll quickly brief me about myself. So right now I have more than 14 years of experience in IT field, mainly into software testing. So mainly we are focusing on QA, manual testing, as well as automation testing, performance, security testing. Uh, I when in my family, my father was teacher, my mother was housewife. We live in small hometown in Ahmednagar district, and in sixth standard, I got selected to Sainik School Satara, and I got entry into Sainik School in sixth standard. From there, I continued my education till 12th standard in Satara Sainik School. Being a CBSE student, and being in a district of Satara, Shivaji University was the option that I had in terms of my further career. Initially, my parents thought that I should be in medical career, doing MBBS or something like that, but I had a different destiny, and it's all about your destiny, right? So, and I chose engineering as my career, and as CBSE is little bit from percentage wise or marks wise little bit tough than US state board in terms of the marks and in the ratings as well. Then in the rounds in the engineering, we choose TKIT Varnanagar as a college for engineering, and IT was the department. I completed that successfully. My focus all through my engineering career was on getting the basics correct, right? So when I go back and correlate my education right now, I think it was the focus that I had and the kind of sincerity when you attend something, right? You can technically cannot correlate everything, and it putting that to use, it's a different thing. But it's the habit, right? It's the discipline that you take in your career right from early stage. So whenever we were attending class, I think education is also, I think you should take it in another way. He was almost concentrating on everything, not only the educational part of it, but understanding the basics of it and understanding the basics of even how you can progress in your career. So that time, I when I was in B, I learned about Disha Technologies, which was the institute in Pune. It was specifically known for QA testing. That time Disha had around odd 300 400 employees, and it was a quite growing and successful company in QA testing. because Disha Technologies had customers like Microsoft, Apple, and they still have those projects right now when they are acquired by Mindtree. And Disha Technologies founder was an ex alumni of YC College, which is an another college of the same founders of TKIT, Kore. So that's their college. And as Abhay Joshi was a founder of Disha Technologies, Disha did came into a camp for the campus interview in TKIT Warnanagar, as well as it was in Walchand College, and I got in B. I got selected for Disha Technologies, and even in my curricular, I was very keen, and I was good in programming. I did thought at that point that I should choose QA testing as my career, because it's not only manual testing. That time QA was just improving on different paradigms like automation testing, performance testing, security testing. So look, after talking to different people, after just thinking about doing something unique, I had a roadmap in my mind. So that time I choose QA testing as a career, and I went ahead and took a decision to join Disha Technologies. Once I got placed into Disha Technologies, I that wholeheartedly, I never searched for any other job. I simply went ahead and joined Disha Technologies in Pune, and that particular organization has taught me the initial kind of training that they have given, and the kind of interactions I had with their owners and the people who have started Disha Technologies. That gave me the confidence that definitely we can go ahead and do something unique. Uh, Disha Technologies was later on, after 2 years, was taken over by Aztecsoft, which was a Bangalore-based company. It purchased its office in Hinjawadi, and then Aztecsoft Technologies was later on taken over by Mindtree Technologies. Now it's a Mindtree. They have an office just in the center of Hinjawadi Phase 1. Uh, and the Mindtree is a Bangalore-based company. It's a big company, top 4 Indian company. Sorry, are there any questions in between?
No, sir. No more
Okay.
questions. You can continue.
All right.
Participants are requested that kindly mute your mics. Kindly mute your mics.
All right. So I started as a fresher in Disha Technologies, and as I said, right, starting as a fresher in a QA company, it got lot of exposure to me. So right from early from my project, I got a exposure to implement something new. Because the project that I was working was my first project was Concur, and Concur was the project wherein they had a very established team. They had a 25-member team. There I learned all the basics of testing. So because all senior people were there, they were implementing very standard processes, standard documentation, and I learned that through how it can be, how you can interact with customers, how your documentation should be, how your estimation should be, right? And what it is called as quality, actually, how you can adhere to the milestones and then achieve the milestones and make customer happy. So Concur was a big customer of Disha Technologies, and I'm glad that I got to work on that project. So I worked for a couple of months initially,